About 4 years ago, I set a goal that I was going to lose 120 pounds or 100 pounds, and that if I kept it off for a year, then I would get my teeth fixed. And I've always wanted a straight smile, and smiling has always been important to me, like to just genuinely smile. And I think too, it will allow me to focus more on the other person instead of on myself. So I'm excited for that.
For Lisa, we will be cementing in 3 veneers and 1 crown. So it's a little bit unique situation. To determine what cement I'm going to use for Lisa's case, I wanted to have one cement I could use for all the restorations. And so I went with the most difficult being the bonded restorations. And so I'm going to be using Kerr's Optibond XTR for the bonding layer on the teeth. And then I'm going to be using NX3, the dual cure resin cement, for the crown, but the light cured resin cement for the veneers. Lisa is such a fun personality. She has so much energy, and she's never hid her smile even though she doesn't like it. So it's great because she exudes confidence, and she is always taking care of all of her kids and all of her family, and she's at work and she's like, oh man, if I could just fix my smile. And finally we decided to do it together. And so to be able to deliver that for her after taking care of everyone else, now it's her turn. Oh, I can't wait for this. It's gonna be great. Okay, Lisa, we got them all in. It's time to see them. All right, this is for you.
Oh, I'm just like, wow, I think I'm amazed. I'm really just amazed.
Oh my
Thank
goodness,
you.
Look at them. It's interesting, you know, the word legacy comes to mind because she first met my dad when she moved up here, and that she would stay with us this whole time, and that this has always been something she wanted to do, and that I could just be a part in helping this transformation to the end. I mean, it's just, oh, it's so exciting.
I should have done it like 20 years ago, 30 years ago.